propane off?
Turn it off?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah, just close it.
Okay.
Keep going. Alright.
Is this hot? Nope.
Okay.
Nope. Okay, I'll take it off. And I'm showing you guys the ground, and I'm not really looking up and showing our faces because I don't want you guys to see our surroundings because we live here. So, look at that, look at that. Baby, did you have a string for the legs to be tied together? You didn't buy none? Okay. Oh my gosh, he's doing so good. It's okay, just let it bubble because the fire's not on. Did they say cover it after you get it in there?
You want to keep bubbling like that. Let's see. That ain't gonna be the mission out of it.
Putting the lid on it? How long is it supposed to cook?
40 minutes.
I'm both saying. Yay! 40 minutes. Good job, boo. Man, that smells like a funnel cake. Like the grease. Oh, snap, that's tight. Okay, so it's in there. We're gonna let it cook for this crack right here. Gonna let it cook for 45 minutes, and then I'll be back out here with you. I'll be back out here with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, let me take this. You're welcome. Back in the house we go, ladies. Back in the house we go.